The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has issued a new set of guidelines for OTT platforms and social media companies to curb their misuse. Here is what will be implemented at these platforms. Social media platforms, on being asked by the court or government, will be required to disclose the first originator of the mischief information. Offenders will be found punishable. Significant platforms will have to appoint a chief compliance officer, a nodal contact person, a resident grievance officer as per the code of ethics. The grievance officer appointed will register complaints in 24 hours and resolve them within 15 working days. He or she must be a resident of India. Social media platforms will be classified under two categories: social media intermediaries and significant social media intermediaries, with the latter being subject to greater obligations. In cases where significant social media intermediaries remove or disable access to any information on their own accord, then a prior intimation for the same shall be communicated to all the sharers of that information. The platforms would also have to publish a monthly compliance report mentioning the details of complaints received and action taken on them, as well as details of the contents removed proactively by the significant social media intermediary. Content involving nudity, morphed pictures of women on social media must be removed in 24 hours. The new guidelines mandate a grievous redressal system for OTT and digital portals in the country. OTT and digital news media will have to disclose their details for sake of transparency. OTT platforms will have a self-regulating body headed by a retired Supreme Court or High Court judge or a very eminent person in this category.